Hello, my YouTube family. I welcome you to today's episode. I still go by the name Bra Bosco Jr. on Boss One Media. Please, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so and turn on the post notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Today's tutorials, we are going to learn how to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. It's very important. Why two-factor authentication on Instagram? It helps you protect your account. Only you can get access to your account. If somebody tries to log in your account, Instagram will send you additional code. If you type in, then they approve your login. So let's get started. Without wasting my time, you type on www.com, www.instagram.com, www.instagram.com. Then you hit on enter button for it to open. As you open like this, you open your profile. Yeah, your profile here. Then you hit on your profile icon. Then you select settings. You hit on it. You scroll down to privacy and security. You hit on it, then you scroll down to two-factor authentication. Edit two-factor authentication settings. If you say we will ask for a security code when we need to confirm that it's you logging in. Yeah, like I said, it protects your account. Only you can get access to your account. You can use text message or authentication app. So let's use text message. They are going to send you a code through your number, the telephone or the phone number you use. Two-factor authentication protect your account by requesting an additional code when you log in on a device we don't recognize. Turn on authentication. So you click on next. You say you may receive SMS update from Instagram and can option out anytime. Next. The code have been sent to your account, the number that you are using. Yes. Just check the number. Yes. Save. Save. So you come back to your account. Let's log in and let's log out and log in again. See, yes, you see, and enter the code we send to your phone number ending in 4461. So you will get the message on SMS, then you tap it in. Your login have been approved. Know that you are the original account owner. Yeah. So, like I said, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so and turn on the post notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Stay safe. God.